What's up, Dawn Nation? There's a man whose name is Chime. He's a wonderful man, absolutely wonderful man. We had Thai food one time, not relevant. Maybe semi-relevant. Anyways, in this tutorial, you are going to learn how to make his signature lead that sounds like this. Let's talk about it.
With this being like quite a signature like A5 lead, I was like, right, I'm gonna do a harmony with my signature Chime lead. There's the MIDI for it. I think first of all, I just mimicked what you had with your lead, and then I figured out where I wanted the harmony to sit above. And then do like a crazy note at the top there. This is my lead I've been using for probably 7 years. And it's literally just square wave on this and the woody wavetable from Massive and a bit of vibrato. Put some distortion on that to kind of compete with distorted as it is.
Somehow it all really fits together well and you can hear everything distinctly separated.
This is a small little snippet of our In the Dot episode that we did with Chime breaking down his song, Voidwalkers. If you want to check out that full walkthrough, plus get a free sample pack from the sounds that were made from Voidwalkers, there is a link down below, or you can head on over to dawnnation.net/Voidwalkers. Go check it out right now.